What's going on, guys? Angel here, Begin Crypto. Thank you guys so much here for joining me today. Right now, guys, I'm live on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Theta TV. If you guys want to watch on any of those places, make sure you guys go ahead and check us out there. Make sure you guys also go down to the description. The $500 altcoin giveaway is available YouTube, TikTok, anywhere you guys can check out our links. Go ahead and join that competition. All you have to do is subscribe on YouTube. All you guys, you have to like on TikTok, like on Facebook, like on Twitter, follow on Twitter, etc. So you guys can do all of that. So you guys can earn entries in order to win $500 of your favorite altcoin or even Bitcoin. But today's show, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wave back to everybody here on Instagram as well. Good to see you guys here on YouTube. Mark L says, let's get it. I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen. Mark L says, let's get it. So let's go ahead and get it today. If you guys are, like I said, live on Twitter, live on Facebook, if you guys want to go ahead and say hello, I will shout you out. Hughes says, where can I buy crypto? Depends on where you're located. Let me know where you're located. I can tell you maybe some good places to go and find some crypto. But let's go ahead and talk today a little bit more about Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and check the Bitcoin charts. If you guys are watching here on Instagram or Facebook or anywhere else, make sure you guys go ahead and join us on YouTube specifically, because on YouTube, you guys can go ahead and check out the charts and everything that we're looking at. So let's go ahead and take a look at these charts right here. As you guys can see, this is the Bitcoin chart. We are at 34,721, guys, 34,721. I believe that to be a decently strong level. I want to check out the MACD. The MACD is a lagging indicator. I know it is. A lot of people always getting all butthurt and stuff about the MACD being a lagging indicator. This is the stochastic RSI. Moving near to 100 here fairly soon. Florida, you're located in Florida. You could use a lot. You could use Coinbase. There's Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. A lot of people use Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, and it's going to be even more beneficial that Coinbase is going to be listing a lot more projects. So Coinbase and Coinbase Prize. Stay Frozen says best. I appreciate it as well. Coinbase Pro. You could use KuCoin. KuCoin is one of my favorite right now. KuCoin. KuCoin is one of my favorites. You can get XRP and a lot of other things there as well. You could also use Voyager. You could use Binance, but that takes a long time. I'd say KuCoin, Voyager, Crypto.com, or Coinbase/Coinbase Pro. I'm going to go ahead and get this stochastic RSI up. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the MACD because I want to see if there's some constriction here. So you got the MACD here. We're starting to flip here. You see this flipping just a little bit bullish. But let's see. Overall here, right here near the zero line, and you're starting to see some tightening up here of this MACD, which means I think we could see this turn right over. I'll go ahead and draw it. So a lot of times you guys see moves like this. Moves like this. So I think we go ahead and see another move similar to this move over here. This was from 29 all the way up to 38. You could maybe see something like here you could probably see something up in the 37, 38 range is what I'm thinking as well. But I think we're going to go ahead and move up a little more to the upside. There's been some other things that have been coming as well. Make sure you guys go ahead, like and subscribe if you guys are on YouTube as well. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe here as well. But a lot of people have been talking about the 18th. And on the 18th, let me go ahead and see if I can pull up that news article for you. Bitcoin is suddenly braced for a $1.5 billion July shock after huge crypto crash tanked the price. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust hitting the market on July 18th. So worth of shares. Now, that's something to be noted, $1.5 billion worth of shares. Not necessarily actual Bitcoin, but Bitcoin shares. So that's something I really wouldn't be too afraid of there. I'll go ahead and make this a little bit smaller, pop myself up there. There we go. Let me scroll through here. Bitcoin price almost down 50% from its peak. Now with the $1.5 billion worth of shares, the grayscale trust in the market 18th. Researchers at US Kraken have predicted the loom grading skill to unlock be positive for the Bitcoin price. Wow, that's very interesting. I think some people will buy it up as well. I really don't think that's that big of a deal. I don't think it's going to move the market down here by any means, guys. But I think we're going to go ahead and move up slowly. So one of the things that I talked about yesterday, guys, is the Walkoff accumulation. There's also Walkoff distribution. Some people were thinking we're in Walkoff distribution as well, but I believe we're in this Walkoff accumulation phase. I'm going to go ahead and make that. Guys, let me see if I got, so I have some audio back now. My mic gave out. I'll go ahead and switch that back here fairly soon. I'm sorry about that, but if you guys just missed the last 3, 4, 5 minutes I've been talking right here about this cup and handle that could go. Like I said, if you guys can see right here that if this cup and handle were to start here at 60,000, you go and put it right at 60,000, you would see about a $90,000 Bitcoin. Some people are saying that 90 to 100 area is the top. That may be what we see there on the 4-hour chart, even to the daily chart. We could see a cup and handle form here like that, and could see round two of the bull run. Round two of the bull run here take off. Let me go ahead and do this really quick. So my microphone, my good microphone is trying to get stuff figured out here. But that's exactly what we're looking at there on the stream, and looking at there on the charts. So as you guys can see here, like I said, Bitcoin dominance slipped down a little bit overall, though ETH looking here pretty strong. Overall, guys, there's been some other talk about there's been some other talk as well about the macroeconomic things going on right now. And one of the big macroeconomic things that is going on. Sorry, I'm trying to wait for my mic here to turn on. I want my good mic to turn on. But looks like it's being pretty slow. But the macro things that are going on. There we go. I should be able to, I wanted to wait till my, there. Check. There we go. Sorry, I didn't mean for my mic to turn off like that. But guys, my mic is back. But one of the things, guys, I guess we should reschedule. But the thing about it, guys, here, sorry about that little lull, but the thing that we should be noticing is on the macro charts, guys, everything in the macro, the stocks, real estate. I don't think real estate's going to break. I think real estate broke in 2008 as drastically as it did, more because of the lending, the over leveraged mortgage companies, and the over leveraged citizens that couldn't pay back the houses that were undervalued. That were undervalued. I don't think we're going to see that again. The other thing is, I don't think the stock market's going to correct, but 5 or 10%. I think you did see some bigger companies take a little bit of profits, but overall, I think those profits are going to be moved to Bitcoin. I'm not as concerned about the stock market crashing right now. And even if it does, like I said, I think this time we'll see the arbitrage, because Bitcoin's down right now. Stocks, real estate are up and they're frothy. I think we're going to see a transfer of wealth from stocks and some real estate, and it's going to be moved into Bitcoin. Simply because I think that, good to see you, Prince. Make sure I'm waving to people. But it's good to see you guys in the house. But the big thing is I don't think the stock market is going to crash. And even if it does, it's not going to, I think that Bitcoin is finally going to be the answer this time for inflation, because a lot of people think that the stock market is going to collapse simply from inflation. And if inflation is the reason, I think Bitcoin is the kryptonite to that inflation. Princess, thanks, man. Appreciate you as well. Yep. But I think that the kryptonite to inflation is Bitcoin. And I think that glad to be here. Good. That's awesome. Make sure you go and check out the YouTube, Begin Crypto on YouTube. You'll be able to see all the charts and stuff we're looking at, Prince. So go ahead and check us out on YouTube as well. Begin Crypto. But the inflation, like I said, the counteraction to inflation is going to be Bitcoin. So, like I said, I think there's going to be some big money that moves from stock market, from real estate. They're going to move their fiat into Bitcoin, settling themselves ready for inflation. Not only that, Bitcoin is underpriced right now. It's under the 200-week EMA even. It's underpriced, as well as the scarcity is at an all-time high right now. The scarcity on exchanges is at an all-time high. And like I said in a few videos before, I think it was a video I put about the stock to flow model, and that's what the stock to flow model is about. If you guys haven't researched it, the stock to flow model is about scarcity of Bitcoin by miners. and how all that process works. But basically what I'm saying here is that the scarcity isn't realized until like 12 to 18 months after the Bitcoin halving. And right now we're at like 12 months. So I think we're going to go ahead and see a big boom. It's kind of lining up with everything that we've seen. So, like I said, I think that's going to be a big move for Bitcoin. But thank you guys so much. Angel here, Begin Crypto. Make sure you guys go ahead and check YouTube. If you guys haven't checked YouTube, make sure you guys go ahead and check everywhere we're streaming. But until next time, guys, Angel here, Begin Crypto. The 2K to 1 million challenge, by the way, I do that on TikTok. My biggest following is on TikTok. I have just under 40,000 followers on TikTok. I do a bunch of crypto content there. So if you're on TikTok, make sure you guys go ahead and join us on TikTok. We have about 2.3K on YouTube as well. So go ahead and subscribe there. We're just getting started here on Instagram. We have just under 900, I believe, followers, continuing to grow here as well. But thank you guys so much. Andrew here, Begin Crypto. Until next time, I'll talk to you all soon. Peace. There we go. Take care, guys.